Well, hi guys, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm so happy that you're here. This is episode 4 of It's Fall, y'all, which is a series that I'm doing this year for the fall. And guys, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I went to Kirklands and I was gonna get this sign, but they were all sold out, and I love the way it looks with those farmhouse beads. So I went home and created my own. I just used a little bit more neutral colors that were very monotone. So what I use is one of these signs from the Dollar Tree, one of these thankful and blessed signs, but I'm going to be using the back of it and not the front. Also a sponge brush and some Annie Sloan's dark soft wax and some of this white Waverly paint. And I'm also going to be using, of course, some farmhouse beads or wood beads. You can get those at the Dollar Tree, or you can order them online or in any craft store, and a glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing that metal leaf and the raffia in the front and painting this out in white, just a crisp white, because we're going to go back with the dark wax, and just make sure you get all the edges. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to get something like a paper towel or anything you can use and just rub it on. Now this is how much you want, it's up to you. I had mine a little light and then I went back and made it a little bit darker because I really wanted it to be very neutral and very monotone color on color. Now that we have that done, we're just going to go in with our wood beads and we're just going to apply them with glue from the hot glue gun. And what I'm going to do is go all the way around the perimeter and the trim of it. Now with the Kirklands sign that they had, they basically went on the inside, but this is a Dollar Tree sign, and of course it's a little smaller, so I'm going to use the full outside circumference, and I'm just going to go all the way around. What I'm going to do when I get to the middle is, you know how you go in the middle and shade when you want to have more definition to a pumpkin? We're going to do the same thing Kirklands did, and we're just going to go ahead up with those wood beads all the way to the top to give it that true pumpkin look, so they'll know what it is and not an apple or something. And I really had so much fun creating this, guys. And we're just going to follow that all the way around. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go back and get that metal leaf that I removed, and I'm going to glue gun that down. And I also went with some Dollar Tree jute string and made a bow, and I took the raffia and I just hot glued that to the bottom also, and then trimmed both off. And this is what it looks like, and it's absolutely pretty. So I also have this nautical rope. I made welcome sign out of the nautical rope because I didn't have any left in the 3-pack, and all I did was put it on white cardstock, and as you can see, I shaped it. And then I hot glued it down, and then I trimmed off the white cardstock afterwards to get rid of that. Now for the back of it and to hang it up, I'm going to use the same thick nautical rope that the Kirklands sign had, and I'm just going to hot glue it down and go back and trim off the rest of it. And this is what it looks like now. Those words were a little heavy, so that's why I put the second row of beads in the center, but it was still weighing it down, so I went back and got a popsicle stick and I clipped it and put it under there just to give it some support so it won't sink in the middle for the welcome words. And I love the way this turned out. And it was so simple and easy, guys, and I really liked this, so I hope you guys liked it too. And I just wanted to give you a close-up. You really can't see the support underneath the welcome sign unless you get right up on it, but this came out awesome. So I hope you guys liked it too. I'll see you the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up because they really help our channel out. Keep your head up and stay safe, guys, and I'll see you next time.